Hey everyone, what's up? I hope you're doing well. John from Superfly here, BeSuperfly.com, and today I'm super excited to let you know about our membership program that we are lovingly calling Superflyer. So if you go to our website, BeSuperfly.com/superfly-membership, it'll take you to our page here where you can sign up and learn what it means to be a Superflyer and the perks you get with that. So I'm just going to talk about a few of the perks here. First off, you get 25% off everything in our store. Our membership is going to have great Divi resources and files right away, which I'll go over here in a little bit. Every month we're going to come out with new stuff for the membership, but we're also going to keep having our premium child themes and plugins on our store. And so for being a member, you always get 25% off anything in our store. So for example, if you're looking at buying Anthem or Josephine or Luis or any one of our premium child themes that are normally $75, you're going to pay 25% off that. So you're going to end up paying roughly $56.25. So if you're here actually thinking about buying a child theme from us for $75 and you're not a member, you might as well go ahead and sign up, because the 25% off of the child theme plus the $25 fee to become a member for 1 month is $81.25. So then you would get, your premium child theme plus all these other features of the membership, all the other perks for a month, and then you can decide whether you want to keep going or not. But more on pricing later. So first thing you're going to get after the 25% off, you're going to get fresh files every month. Basically the idea here is every month we're going to release 2 to 4, depending on the size of the items. We're going to release 2 to 4 items every month into the membership program. You'll have access to these for free for that month. After that month is over, those items will go those will stay on our store, and you'll get 25% off of those items when they're on the store. So for example, when June comes around, we're going to release somewhere 2, 3, or 4 items into the membership program that you're just going to get for free for being a member. Non-members will be able to buy those products, most of them on the store, but you're going to get them for free. And here we also have a new thing called the Project Pack, and I'll go over what that is here in a little bit as I go down the page. But you'll see fresh files could include layouts, it could include child themes, and they will. Exclusive tutorials for members only that we include the working files and the code for. Or a project pack. So more on that in a second. Also, as a member, you enjoy free support on all the items that you purchase while you're a member. All your member items that you get for free and all the items you purchase, you'll have free support while you are a member. Normally, non-members that buy items get support for 3 months. You'll also get access to our Superflyer library right off the bat, which is a $200 value, and I'll go over that in a little bit. That's our next section here. And then lastly, the Superflyer Community. You'll be in our exclusive Superflyer Community, and more on that here in a bit as well. So the Superflyer library, upon becoming a Superflyer, these items, and this will grow over time, but these items will always remain in the library for members, and you can always download these for free. And I'll go through each one quickly. We have the Arrow Child theme. The Arrow Child theme sells on the store for 75 bucks. But if you haven't checked this out yet, make sure to check it out. But you get this for free as being part of a Superflyer. It's a great looking theme, great for tech startups or apps. It's got Ken Burns header in there. It's got gradient backgrounds, gradient text. It comes with a whole playlist of roughly 7+ videos showing how to change the colors, how to edit and modify this child theme. So yeah, it's definitely unique. Be sure to check that out. Next, you're also going to get the Anthem layout. Now we have a full Anthem theme in the store, but we thought for members we would break out the home page of Anthem and have most of the components here in an easy to import single-click import layout file. So that you get this as a JSON file that you can easily upload into your default Divi install, and it'll look exactly like this. And again, this has most of the sections from our popular Anthem child theme. And this is as a layout though. So this isn't a child theme, it's a single page layout. But this is great for single page websites, or if you're doing a 4-page website for someone and they're not doing a blog or anything, you could load this layout and then build one page and then just duplicate that page or duplicate the layouts for the other pages. Testimonial section, some counters. This is a gradient, animated gradient background section here. If you're familiar with Anthem, you're familiar with all of this here, some good styling. I'm not going to go into all the features here, but as you can see, this layout is quite long. And there we go. So you get the Anthem layout, also a Josephine layout. Same idea. Maybe I'll refresh the page because this one actually has the Ken Burns header of the image growing toward us. Same deal. This is we have the Josephine child theme on our store that you get 25% off as a member. This is a single page layout. And again, you could build a site with just layouts if you wanted to. If you need the blog style, then category pages, archive pages, and your regular WordPress pages styled, I'd recommend getting the child theme. But for a quick single page site, this would work great. So again, you get this for free as part of your membership. You also get Beacon. Beacon is a layout, but it also comes with 4 hours of video showing how I take a Photoshop file for this layout and I export items from Photoshop, the images, and then I start from scratch on a Divi page, a blank Divi WordPress page, and I build what you see here. And so it's got some special features in there, but more importantly, it shows you how to build the page. I also use Inspect Element quite a bit in Chrome, which is an invaluable developer tool. You get that for free. Normally this is $25. And then normally these layouts, Anthem and Josephine, these each would be $25. So this is $75 on the store. This would be $25 if it was on the store. This would be $25. This is $25 on the store. These last two are $25 as well. So right here we have $200 of value. Here's the Anthem Crafts layout from the Anthem theme. If you buy the Anthem theme, you get the Anthem layout and you get these pages in there. But as a member, you can just have this layout here, this one page, to do whatever you like with. It's pretty much ready to go. You just got to go in there and change what you want. Also, lastly, is Anthem Cycles. This page also has the Ken Burns effect on the top here. This one's a little more basic than the other ones, but it's a great quick design that you could easily get going on. So also, back up here, I talk about Project Pack. Every so often, in one of the items that month that you get will be a project pack. A project pack, basically, and you can read about it here, and you can kind of see a graphic representation here of it. What you're going to get in a project pack is you're going to get a sample project proposal in Word format, a proposal that we use in my freelance business. Jake and I use it over and over again. We just edit it, change the client's name out and features, but it gives you a great starting point. You're going to get our timeline document that we have, Photoshop file. It's a graphic kind of timeline deal that you can change the dates, and it has the whole process on there of getting content, doing a site outline, doing a wireframe, getting content, starting on design, starting on development. And so you'll be able to use that. Comes off a little more professional when you give your clients an actual timeline. You're going to get a homepage wireframe in Photoshop format. That's like this gray guy here. And then you're going to get the homepage design as a Photoshop file for desktop. So you'll get a design photo that you can go in, you can change the logo in Photoshop and use that as a mock-up for your clients if you're providing mock-ups for your clients. And then you'll get the homepage as a layout file. And so it's a quick way to get a project up and running. And yeah, here on the Superfly team, all of us here at Superfly together combined, we've built hundreds of Divi sites. And so these include some of the things that we do time and time again. So what kind of sample sites? I have a couple here. Some of these are still in development. But for example, here is a construction site that's in development right now, and this will become a project pack for other construction sites, or you could use it for, not for construction, something else. But it'll come loaded with construction leaning colors and images and stuff like that, and it'll be in Divi as a layout ready to go, and then you could just take this file, nice big get a free estimate button there, stylized contact form, and then you can just go in here and edit, change the logo out, change your stuff, and we'll have a default placeholder logo, not the actual client logo. Here's another one, a site that I'm doing for an author and a life coach guy, and again, we'll have these. This one's in demo format right now. It's got this nice background text here. And again, you'll get this as a layout file, just like this, and you'll be able to go in and swap these out. And these will be for free, just part of your membership. Lastly, here's another construction one that you could turn into a product site or whatnot. We'll have some church ones comes down the pipe. Oh, that's kind of fun. The buttons on this one, on hover, they do this little slash thing. G.I. Joe logo not included. We'll swap that out. So that's what a project pack is. And then rounding out the features here is our Superflyer Community. And basically, this is going to be a private Facebook group for us to, not necessarily for tech support. We have a great tech support team for that. But this private Facebook group is going to be more to ask questions to each other on just WordPress, Divi in general, building our businesses. There'll be tips from, those of us that have achieved some success in our businesses. We're working from home. One day we had the dream to work from home and be our own boss. And through a lot of hard work, we've done that. That's what the Superflyer community is about. It's about helping everyone in the group together achieve our goals. And so I'd encourage you to check this section out, read it, and this right here, I wrote this, and it does sound dramatic, it does sound cheesy, but web design, and lately, the last couple of years, Divi, we do 98% of our sites are in Divi now, and it has truly provided us a life of freedom. And so in the community, we'll be talking about, here's some things that worked for us to build our businesses. Here's some recurring revenue ideas that we tried that worked. Here's some that didn't. Here's some new things that we're going to try. So I really envision it as a place where we can share our successes. We can also share our failures, which is part of success. And we can just be there for each other in this group. We can learn and grow from each other. And, the rising tide floats all boats, raises all boats. That's what we want to do. Together, we want to raise all of our businesses up to become successful. We want Superflyers to be committed to, hey, I'm committing, by becoming a Superflyer, I'm committing to achieving my goal, my dream of making my own agency, creating my own agency. Or maybe it's, I want to be a freelancer, work at home. Maybe it's, I want to build a team of 5 people or 20 people, but we want to help do that. Pricing. Pricing, if you pay monthly, is $25 per month. If you pay yearly, it's $15 per month, but you'll just pay that in one fee for the year. And then we have some FAQs here you can check out. So like I said, I'm so excited to finally launch this and get it out there. Right off the bat, you get all these great files. You sign up today for 25 bucks for this month, you're going to get all these files right here, plus whatever files that month are free. So this is great. We're starting out with these for May, and then starting in June, we'll be doing the fresh files every month. We'll be adding somewhere between 2 and 4 new products or tutorials or whatnot. So hit us up with any questions that you might have, and I hope to see you become a Superflyer. Thanks for checking out this video, and we'll see you in the private Facebook group if you join. Come join us. Let's all grow our business together. All right, take care.